Now let's try a different string manipulation exercise. Actually, not manipulation of string. It's just a string exercise where we use a string to control the movements of a Python turtle. So we are given this string here, which consists of three characters: the F character, the plus character, and the minus character. And we are told that it will control a turtle as such. Okay, you will go to the string, and if you encounter an F character, the turtle will go forward by 10 pixels. If you encounter a plus character, the turtle will rotate right by 60 degrees, and if it encounters a minus character, it will rotate left by 60 degrees. So let's try to implement this, and again, try to do it on your own first before you watch the rest of the videos where I try to do it. So I'm going to copy the string and head over to a empty trinket. So I'm copying the string, and I gotta be sure that my string is enclosed in the quotation marks, right? So an example of a string, notice that there is a opening quotation mark and a closing quotation mark. When the string is super long like this, it's easy to forget the closing quotation mark because it's not visible. Okay, so make sure you remember that. So we know that it's going to control a turtle. So let's import the turtle module. Okay, by now this should be sort of muscle memory for you. And we create a turtle object by calling the turtle method on the turtle module. And now we're going to get started. Okay, so we are going to go through every single character in this super long string, and that is by using the for loop, right? And so depending on what we see, whether it's the F, the plus, or the minus character, we're going to do different things. And so because we're going to be doing different things, the keyword here is different. We know we're going to be using a conditional to do this. So if the character that we see is the F character, then we are told that our turtle will move forward. Else, if the character that we see is a plus character, then we are told that our turtle should rotate right. Else, if the character is a minus character, then our turtle should rotate left. Okay? And let's run this to find out what will happen. Okay, so this is going to be the output. Now, a couple of things. I'm actually going to stop running this. I'm going to increase the speed of the turtle. Okay, so 0 will be the maximum speed. And the other thing is that before we do this, it looks like the drawing is going towards the left. So what I can do is I can pan up my turtle and move backwards by about maybe 150, and then pan down so that we can see more of the picture. Oh, backwards is not a function, right? It's backward. Let's try that again. Fantastic. And so that's what this string of commands do. This F plus minus minus F minus plus F F F minus plus is that it draws this nice pretty picture here.